you see from agile from a larger context, so agile is a way of approach where different practices, frameworks and all, everything are included in it. Some people follow Scrum, some people follow extreme programming called XP, some people follow Kanban, some people follow another different lean process or RUP, Russian Unified Process. Different processes are there. So why are these different processes? So first of all, we must be knowing, right, for what reason, all that. Remember, there is a concept called development approach. What is meant by development approach? Development approach means when you're going to develop something, what is the approach you are going to follow and how you are working, your style of working is what generally we call it as development approach transfer. Now, each and everybody depends on the kind of agile experiences what they have, which was carried away from their other people as a legacy from their experienced professionals working in industry. Some people will be experienced in few things. Let me start with Kanban lean process. Let me explain you about the lean. Lean is a process which last time I have explained you, right? I'll just give my high level understanding now. Lean is a process. So why lean process? Because before lean process there is a concept called JIT, stands for just in time. This is what generally the process widely used in manufacturing industry. So why is this manufacturing? Forget about IT, software, all that sometime, right? Forget about all this sometime. Now you could ask me one thing, Raj, why manufacturing industry requires some process? Because they are manufacturing a product, right? That's simple. So how quality of product they have manufactured is what matters a lot. So for that, they have to follow some quality standards, all that, right? So that itself is sufficient. Apart from that, why do they require different standards or procedures to be adopted? For what reason? See, if it's, let's say for example, you are manufacturing a mobile, right? Let me put you in this way. For example, you are manufacturing a mobile. If you want to manufacture mobile, what is that you require? You require different components, isn't it? You require different components. These components you are getting from different people, right? ICs, integrated circuits and all, you are getting from other people, chips and all that. Maybe the body, front end and back end body part is being given by another person. So manufacturings are happening in different places, whereas assembling of mobile happens in one place, isn't it? Right? Generally. So there is a manufacturing process which is involved for each and every component in their workshop, whether it may be a big workshop or it may be a small one, irrespective of it. So if something they are manufacturing, what is that they require? For example, if you want to develop a IC chip, right? Manufacturing of IC chip might require multiple components must be assembled. Then only that chip and all everything can be manufactured by the manufacturer. So the same way, whenever you are developing manufacturing any kind of product, there are different other sub products which are required for you to build that product. So these will be huge in number. Sometimes there will be 200 to 300 components, right? It will not be 1 and 2, right? Sometimes you get 200 to 300, 400 components, sometimes even from small component to big level component, whatever it is, right? Hundreds of components will be there. Now, being an people who are working in industry, I'm talking about, right? I'm not talking about a single individual. Being a person who is working for industry, when you are there manufacturing, can they identify all these products by their name and all that? Will it be possible? It is difficult, right? So for that reason, what generally they do, they manage inventory, right? They manage inventory, means inventory system will be managed. based upon the category wise and all. There will be some code number for inventory management system will be given. So based on the code number, usually they'll manage all the products and all everything in their workplace, all that. Now we have to, when you are manufacturing, whenever you're manufacturing a product, you want to confirm the manufacturing cost, right? You want to finalize the manufacturing cost. As a manufacturer, you have to finalize the manufacturing cost. On what basis manufacturing cost will be finalized by you? Based on the components what you are using, first point. Second, based on the